mate. It's an early one this morning. One of my favourite things about getting up early and going to a car show is sometimes when you stop for breakfast, like we did at this little McDonald's, other cars are going to car shows. There is an abundance of absolute beauty in this car park. The FD is absolute goals, Evo is goals. Look at this for a rig. Twin cab Transit with a Fiesta, wide arch, looks pretty mad, and look at this Cosworth, or Sierra, I'm not sure what it is. It's insane either way. Hopefully we see that on the track today. Right, the obligatory in traffic stop. Series 1's doing pretty well today. Time for some traffic.
Yes, that's what needs to happen.
Perfect.
What?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm cool. Race car.
Yes.
That's when the RS Turbo catches fire in front of me.
Super sweaty. Just cropped across this. I actually noticed it from over there, wide arches and stuff. Big brakes. Sort of took my fancy because I was like, oh, this is really cool. Owning a Series 1, I was thinking, okay, that's cool. And I started looking and thinking, hold on a minute. TFSI, DSG, says for sale in it as well. Sort of having a little nose round. I mean, it's got some stuff in it. And I looked inside and thought, hold on a minute. TFSI, it's got a Golf GTI interior, I think a Mark 5 off the top of my head. Looks like a Mark 5. I'm a Mark 5 Golf GTI fan, so got the steering wheel DSG box just down there as well. Looks like, anyway. Clocks from what looks like a GTI. That's pretty insane. And then I came around the front. It's got a Golf, what I believe to be a Mark 5, maybe a Mark 6 engine in it. Mark 5, Mark 6. I'm thinking it's Mark 5. Absolutely insane to put in an Escort. What a thing! I didn't even know this thing exists. I don't know if it's on the internet already. I'm sure someone could tell me in the comments, but a 2 litre TFSI, DSG. I wonder if it's 4-wheel drive. Should we have a little nose underneath it? Have a little nose. Oh, it's got a cooler and that on the back. What? I think it might be. Let's just have a proper look. Not that I know what I'm looking at. Yeah, I don't know. Not too sure. Might be 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive. Probably a 2-wheel drive. It's a GTI, but that is one of the most insane things I've ever seen. I just wanted to get a bit of content on it because Well, this is my love of VWs and weirdness in a Ford all day long. What a cool thing.
Inside.
So you are joining me the next day. We are currently at the office actually editing this video. I did a little bit of a different mindset in the day with this, just showing you more, I don't know, raw cars driving along and stuff. So if you did like this style of video, rather than me actually talking to the camera like this, if you did like that style, please let me know. I sort of enjoyed it a little bit more because I got to see a lot more and show you guys a lot more than we ever usually do on this channel. I actually really enjoyed Ford Fair. It was a really good show. Bit less classics than I was expecting. I must admit, I was expecting a lot more classic cars, but nevertheless, it was awesome to meet so many good people, just really, really nice people that watch the channel. So if you are one of them, again, honestly, thank you so much to coming over and just, you know, having a chat about the car. Thankfully, it made it 250 miles in this video. So, yeah, big testament to the guys at the garage that fixed a load of stuff on it the other day. And, yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it. It's the longest I've actually driven in that car. So, I do want to sort of collect thoughts on actually driving that car long distance, because I did really enjoy it. My bum was super numb at the end of it, though. But I really, really enjoyed the day with everybody. So, yeah, a bit more of a different video. Again, I got back and it was, you know, getting dark. I'd been up since 4:30 we started this video. So, yesterday was a mad one. And it was a really, really good day out in the Series 1. But if you liked this style of coverage of Ford Fair, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to get this Mark 5, I believe to be a Mark 5 GTI engined car. Some more content on it would be awesome. I did see a for sale sign in it. Cheap, maybe. I don't know how much it is, but it's awesome either way. And yeah, maddest selection of cars there. But I wish there was more classic stuff. But in today's video there, thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you to the Patreons for supporting the channel. And if you have picked anything up on FYD over this weekend, thank you so much. The link is in the description to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow.